Hey guys, my name is Freedom. I just published a CC3 Emperor Qins for your iClone and Character Creator 3 and 4. This is compatible for both version Character Creator 3 and Character Creator 4. And you can just scroll down, go to my video description. I already uploaded to Reallusion Marketplace. Once you click into that, you can see the Emperor Qins with all of these display pictures, etc. If you like it, if you like to download the trial, you can just download it. It is with watermark and you can keep it for free. Or if you want to render the videos, you can just add to cart with 500 DA points. If you want to export it, you want to customize it and bring it to your game engine like Unreal Engine, like Unity, you can choose the extended license with 1,500 DA points. It is up to you. Just enjoy and having fun. You can just have a trial for free. And this is the first emperor in China. The Qin dynasty won the war and beat the 6 countries, kingdoms, and he became the emperor long time ago. Alright, that's all for today about my sharings of the CC3 Plus Emperor Qins for your iClone and Character Creator 3 and 4. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.